What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. It's me, Desiree. So it's about, I don't have my clock right in front of me. Where's my watch? There it is. It's about 10 o'clock. I want to attempt to, like actually talk throughout the video, but I'm sitting here like in the silence and I have to listen to music while I do this, so I don't think you're going to be able to hear me. And like, I jam out when I do this. Music gets my inspiration juices flowing, and I just can't do it. So I think I'm going to stick with the sped up, with the voiceover. I think I like it that way. Plus, if I were to actually sit here and talk the whole time, the videos would probably last about 2 or 3 hours. But since I already did half my face before the kids went to bed, I'm gonna finish the rest of my face. It's kind of like a cold time outside, why is it so freezing, inspired look. So, not 100% sure what I'm gonna do with the rest of my face, but we kind of have an idea. Oh, let's get started. Oh, make sure you hit the like button, subscribe, hit the little notification bell so you get notified when I upload my upcoming videos. Things have finally started to slow down just a tad, so we're gonna get these videos popped out a little bit faster. And yeah, I will get started. First, we're going to go in with a very thin layer of this white face paint. This is just going to kind of act as a base for the eyeshadow we're going to put on top, so it sticks to the face a little bit better. Here we're going to go in with that $5 eyeshadow palette. I will link the original video that I actually like sort of review it, but this is a really good palette if you're going to be doing stuff like this, just so you can kind of dip into it and get some really good pigmented colors to layer on top of your face. But first I go in with a deeper blue, and then go to a lighter blue and a little bit lighter blue, and then I take the deeper blue and contour with it, and the lighter blue I make it kind of my highlighted areas. So I am going to go into this Boss Mood Morphe palette, and we're going to go in with this blue color. If you can see the other eye, I'm basically just going to flip-flop everything. So where the dark color is, I'm going to put the light color, and the light color, you'll get what I'm saying here in a second. So we go in with that deep color in the crease, and then we take the really bright white up in the corner and take a big fluffy brush and blend that out. So then here we are going to go in with my concealer and do a half cut crease, and with a flat brush just pat that onto the eye until I get my desired shape. So like I said, we're going to invert, so where you see the color at the end of my eye on the other side, we're going to pack that on in the inner corner and then just slowly fade out. And then here we're going to go in with this shimmery blue color and pack that on in the center to start ombreing it out towards the corner. Here we are going to go in with that white color up at the corner. I do apologize, I don't have the palette right in front of me. Each of them have separate names. I just don't have it sitting right here, but so we're going to take that color and put it on the very end, and then we are going to take that blue we used in the middle and mix the white and put it on the inner corner. And then on the other side, I took the white and put it on the inner corner so it kind of mirrors, like I said. And then we're going to take some adhesive, and on the other side, you can't really tell, but I have like a white glitter on top of the wing. On this side, I'm going to pack a blue glitter, and this is technically not an eyeball glitter, so I'm not going to like show you what it is because some people will go do it and not be careful and they'll get it in their eye and it can scratch and it hurts. So if you do end up using a glitter that's not meant for your eye, just be careful. But I'm not going to tell you what glitter I'm using. And then here we're going to go in with the watercolor face paint. And we're going to take the blue, the white, and the black and do kind of like almost like a frozen, crazy eyebrow. I'm just taking a super flat brush and flicking upwards so my eyebrow looks swept up and like the hairs are facing up and like frozen like. And we're just creating really thin lines. So here I'm taking the white NYX eyeliner. So I used it as an actual eyeliner this time on the other side, and I do not like it as an eyeliner for your eye. It cracks too much, but when you're trying to do like drawings and detail work on your face, like the snowflakes and on my eyebrow, it does a really good job and doesn't crack. So I'm kind of confused on that, but I did not like it on my eye. I wiped it off and restarted I don't know how many times. But so down the center of my face, I'm just drawing on snowflakes to make it look like it's creeping over into the non-frozen side. And then afterwards we're gonna glue some little chunks of glitter, some thick chunks of glitter, and just make it look a little bit more pretty. So here I reversed the glitter that I did on my eyeliner, and I do a white glitter on one side and the blue glitter on the other side to give it kind of more of a interesting look. I kind of added it last second. Part of me wishes I would have stuck to the same glitter on each side, but it turns out pretty cool. Just give it a little bit more something. It needed something else, so I just added this last minute, and I kind of like the way it turned out. But this is my frozen ice princess kind of, I don't know. I had fun with this. I hope you guys enjoyed. Hope you guys have a wonderful Monday, and I will see you on the next one.